The Tennessee Highway Patrol pushing back against scrutiny over sober DUI arrests following a nearly 2-year Fox 17 News investigation. THP testified today before the State Senate Transportation and Safety Committee, and one senator asked about sober DUI reports. Fox 17 News' Kelly Avellino watched that testimony, and Kelly has THP's response to all of this.
The THP Colonel who spoke today said that all of these arrests were justified after a state senator asked about the news reports he'd seen. And we're talking about 2,547 sober DUI arrests since 2017, according to TBI data. Now, that data had to be released after a new law went into effect this year requiring more transparency. THP Colonel Matt Perry said that even if a person who got a DUI charge tests negative, he said they must have showed enough signs during the field sobriety test to give officers a reason to suspect that they were under the influence. Colonel Perry also said that THP reviews the body camera for every one of these DUI cases where the person ultimately tests negative.
We've not had one case that and we have our experts in our department review those. We've not had one that they said, yeah, this was somebody that probably shouldn't have been arrested. If that was the case, then we would investigate our trooper and we would hold that trooper accountable. Now, in some cases, there's training that needs to be done.
Now that brings on the question, how can an officer report smelling alcohol or that a person's eyes failed an astigmatis test like we've seen in some of these police reports if there was no alcohol detected in that person's system? Now, Fox 17 obtained this chart sent to troopers in District 8 of the Highway Patrol that shows a DUI arrest count for each individual officer here. I also got hold of this THP manual from 2020 that states an objective to, quote, maintain a district average of 2 contacts per hour or 2 stops per hour. So critics I've spoken to, some of them within the Highway Patrol, say they interpret that as a form of a quota. We'll continue to follow THP's response and bring you the latest. I'm Kelly Avellino for Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.